forms part of a larger randomised controlled trial being conducted here in Melbourne. Colorectal cancer survivorship is increasing and current models of care are unsustainable. There is a drive to implement alternative models, including shared care between GPs and hospital-based specialists. Despite increasing evidence that shared care shows equivalent cancer outcomes, more holistic care and lower cost compared with specialist-led follow-up, uptake of this model of survivorship care is negligible. Qualitative data were collected via semi-structured interviews in response to the COVID pandemic. We also explored experiences of telehealth. Interviews were recorded and transcribed for thematic analysis. 20 participants were interviewed across 4 hospital sites with an even distribution between the shared and usual care arms of the SCORE trial. Most expressed a preference for telehealth-based follow-up when there was no need for a clinical examination, citing comfort, convenience, and no differences in quality of care. This figure illustrates the 5 themes and sub-themes that were identified as facilitators or barriers to shared care. Theme 1, when participants perceived poor communication between hospital-based specialists and their GPs, they were concerned that their follow-up care needs were not being met. Alternatively, when they perceived good specialist GP communication, they were more comfortable seeing GPs for follow-up care. Theme 2, many described the advantages of having good relationships with GPs, including feeling comfortable to talk more freely. Some spoke of having relationships with GPs that will persist beyond their hospital involvement and believed that GP involvement would help them to provide better ongoing care. Theme 3, participants found their GPs to be more geographically accessible and convenient. However, some found it hard to get in for an appointment. Theme 4, participants from all hospital sites spoke positively about their experiences of cancer treatment, and some preferred continuity of care with the same hospital staff rather than GP involvement. They also asserted that the specialists are the experts. Theme 5, many participants believed GPs could not expertly manage their survivorship care, with some believing their role is redundant. Others referenced the importance of reducing hospital system pressures and believed GPs were well positioned in the shared care model to provide test results and follow-up. While shared care was generally found to be acceptable, the study identified areas for refinement. More needs to be done to improve communication and care coordination, clarify patient expectations and provider roles at the outset, and develop personalised pathways of care that include patient preferences for telehealth versus in-person follow-up. Thank you.